In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your theme on Pinterest. You probably are tired of using the light mode on Pinterest and you want to change it to a different mode, maybe the dark mode. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Pinterest homepage, navigate to the bottom right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Then continue to the top right corner where you see this three dots and tap on it. A pop-up menu will appear. Proceed to tap on settings. Then among the list of menus, continue to tap on account management. This will land you on an interface like this with a bunch of menus. Proceed to tap on app theme. As you correctly see, the system default is the light mode. If you want to change it to the dark mode, all you have to do is to toggle on the dark mode, and that's it. Your Pinterest theme has now changed to the dark mode. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.